Namaste, hello guys, hello kids. So today we'll be doing some very essential exercise. I have made it specially for you all. Okay, our eyes is like a CCTV camera now, where we just have to look at the screen, the laptop, computer, do our classwork online, the music class online, everything online. So let's do the first exercise, that is the thumb and eye coordination. How to do that? Thumb in front, head is still, no movement of head. Just follow the thumb. Eyeball will follow the thumb. Just follow the thumb. Follow it, follow it, follow it. Stop. Come back. Come back. Left hand. Follow the thumb. No movement of your head. No movement of your head. Come back. Do this for 3 or 4 times daily. It will really help you. Okay, next we will do some stretches. Let's get up. Okay. Some stretch. Hands up. Okay. Just touch the sky high. Up, down. Your heels up, down. Heels up, down. Slow bend. Bend, very good for your lower back. Come down. Touch the ground. Come back. Bend back. Again, come back. Touch the ground. Do this for 5 or 6 times. Next, half burpees. That's better. Stay there. Come back. Other side. Stay there. Come back. Again, heels up, down. Heels up, down. This will help you to relax your joints. Okay? Next thing what we will do is mountain pose. Come to mountain pose. Now, heels down. Yes. Stay there now. Very good for your lower back and your hands. Stay there. Okay, now one leg up. Touch your hand. Come back. Another leg up. Touch your hand. Come back. Follow it. Touch your hand. Come back. Up. Touch your hand. Come back. Okay. This is one of the very important exercises you guys must do. The next one we will do is a plank position. Very good for your belly fats. Stay there now. Okay? As long as you can. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do it, Angelina. Good job, Angelina. Keep doing it. Look forward. Very good. Smile. That's cool. Okay. Let's come back. Okay. Yeah, next is the jumping. Okay. Just do it. Keep doing it. Keep doing it. Run up, run. Keep doing it. It will help to increase your heartbeat, which will circulate more blood in the entire body. Okay? Next, let's come to cat and camel. Very good for your spine, for your back. Camel, breathe in. Look up. Cat. Look up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, continue. Breathe out. Now let's come down. Hands by your side. This is very good for your lower back. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. One more time. Up. Look the sky. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. You have to come to this position just to relax yourself. This is Sashankasana. Come back. Angelina, you're fine? Alright. One more exercise I forgot to tell you is bridge position. Like this. Bend your legs, hands come up. Down, up, down, up. Stay there. Stay there. See the sky. See the clouds rolling around. Down. Now, a very important thing for your concentration. After you do all this, you have to do meditation. Just close your eyes. Either you can lay down or sit. And you can just concentrate on your breathing. Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out. But just concentrate in yourself. Keep a gentle smile on your face. It will help you to relax yourself. Let the thoughts come in, but don't get disturbed. And don't get distracted. Bring back your thoughts. Just think how the beautiful breath is keeping us alive. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Just stop everything, shut down your eyes and concentrate on yourself. You will see the change happening in you. Slowly you can rub your bum. You can just give a gentle massage and open your eyes and say thank you to the Divine.